Hi, this is a tutorial about logging on to your SWSD online account so that you can access your Google Apps for the Cedar-Woolley School District. In this demonstration, we're going to be using as a browser Google Chrome. Now, you can still access your account by using any of the other browsers, Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Google Chrome has some advantages, so we're going to use this one for this example. But if you don't have Google Chrome available, you can still use one of the others. The first thing that we'd like to do is go to the address bar, and we're going to go to type in google.com, and we're just going to go to the regular Google page. This is the regular Google search page where, I'm sure you've gone before and where we would conduct searches. In the upper right hand corner, we're going to have one of a couple of things. It could be this little sign in box, or if you're already signed in under a Gmail account, you could have your regular Gmail account up there in the upper right hand corner. Either one is fine. If it has a sign-in box, go ahead and click on sign in. If it just has your regular Gmail account, click on the icon and click on add account. This will bring us to this screen. Now, you should have been assigned an SWSD online login name and password already, and I'll show you what those are going to be. The first thing we want to start with is our computer name, the name that we use to sign on to the Cedar-Woolley School District computer system, the one with the zeros. So, as for an example, I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sam 000, but you want to put, of course, your computer username. This is just for Sam Student. It's just a test account that we have. So you log your computer name. Now, some of you might have the 001 instead of 000. That's fine. Just whatever your login name is. The only odd thing is, if your last name is only 4 letters, and normally to log onto the computer you have a space in here, in this particular time, just leave the space out. Google doesn't like the space in there, so we just take that out. But we log on with just the regular name that we use to get into the computers. We do the @ sign and then swsdonline.com. That whole thing is your username to get in. Your computer login name with the zeros, @ sign, swsdonline.com. Your username is going to be a small case S and followed by your student number. That's usually the 084726 number. So a small case S, it has to start with a small case S, and then whatever your student number is. Now, once that's done, we click on sign in. What you'll find here is a little explanation about your new account. If you'd like to take some time to read that, that's fine. And after you've read it, go ahead and click on I accept. It's going to take you right back to the Google page. We think for a moment that we're not signed in, but if we look in the upper right hand corner, you'll see that our login name is up in the upper right hand corner. This tells us that we are signed in. If we click on this little checker box here, it'll let us into all of our apps. Probably the most used is going to be Google Drive. It's going to ask if we'd like to download something. Now, what they want to do here is Google would like to download an icon onto your desktops to use as a little sync drive. We don't do that here at the school district. We just use the web interface. So we're going to click right here where it says no thanks. And there it is. This is our Google Drive. This allows us to create Office documents with a word processor. We can do spreadsheets, presentations just like Microsoft Office. And it also gives us almost unlimited storage so that we can put files onto this and keep them on the internet, which makes them available to us from any computer that has internet access. We're going to do a couple of things real quickly here. We're in the upper left hand corner here. It says create. I'm going to go to create a document, and you'll notice it creates a document just like a Word document. If I go here where it says untitled document and I click there, it lets me retitle. So I'm going to call this a test document, and I'm going to click OK. And here I can go ahead and I can type all kinds of things, whatever. One of the nice things about this in Google Docs is once we've typed something, it saves it automatically. We don't have to save anything. So I go up here and I just close this tab down. I see that the test document has all been saved on my Google Drive. I can open it again and there it is. So I didn't have to save anything. It saved it automatically. Now that's creating a document directly on Google Drive. Well, what if I have a document on my computer that I want to store on my Google Drive? Well, if that's the case, I'm going to click this up arrow right here where it says upload. I'm going to upload a file, and it's see all of these files. Let's say I'm going to put my upload of my Cedar Woolley School District picture up there, and I'm going to highlight it, click open. We see here that it's uploaded, and there it is. There's the picture right there. If I click on it, it'll put it in a little preview screen so I can see it. Now note that if I upload a Word document, because if I made something in Microsoft Word, let's go find something. So a Word document, there we go. It will upload it, boom, right there, and I can see it. It opens up like that. But now, if it's a Microsoft Word document, I can't edit it as a Microsoft Word document. It has to be opened as a Google document. So I'm going to click off it here. I can go ahead, see it's got the W there for Microsoft Word. I can right click, I'm going to right click on my mouse, and I'm going to go open with Google Docs. And what it does then is converts it to a Google Doc document, which allows me to edit it and change things if I want to. And if I go back to my drive now, I'll notice that there's two copies. There's a copy as a Microsoft Word document, and there's a copy as a Google Doc. We have to be aware of the difference between these two documents, because this one, the Microsoft Word document, although we can see it, we can't edit it. We have to right click and open with Google Docs, which opens it as a Google Doc document and lets us edit it. Hope that got you started. Have fun with your new SWSD Online account and Google Drive.